It mean to Indomie 30 cities van Korea one day pe ni yem kom.
The bema benya me pa na me don we chi net ya ho asese ye date 2 ye date na steady ho amia ma me say me okay.
Ene ye kukwada na me mwakwa ba TETE MMOFRA TV so ye TETE MMOFRA Akohunu show ana adrusi ene me a me TETE MMOFRA akunwa kasie mu edi hene ye frame me MC Omar Sterling the finest in America Zepet na de bia so se shifting cultivation bia koso na se minua ba no nko ba bia wo fia na se fia ba de pa na me manam bro mu package be about odi for Samuel God's love now see odi for Samuel so
odi for Samuel say wa wo how bia na wa bana so ye Kumasi ahemboboa no oba ne nchen a fiti Monday ekwapim ni Tuesday send Tuesday ekwa no Wednesday ekwa no Thursday Friday Saturday Sunday ni nyina no owo ho ma wo say ade bia ha wo no obeboa wo ama wo ankasa waso ano enye no nko ade na obo ama waso ano no so oma wo ho akwankyere ama wadane dane niema yie sene ebe ya wo so wa wo te hon matimi say God's love niema koyie ma me enu ntimi srew wadaroma fa numbers na e wo screen so no na fra odi for Samuel na fa wama ne nyina ato ne nche eye hunhum nsem spiritual marriage ahini hu nsensem asase na agudie wo so na opɛ kwan bi so ama wo saka agudie no so no wokɔ so ye ya obɛboa wo opɛsɛ wonya warepa opɛsɛ wadwuma no sisi e wo ton aduane ana oye bibia opɛsɛ obi e store na na egu so ompra wo kwan anokra na egu so a fra odi for Samuel otenete
Idasi bebre God's love anotewa ye won insem ba ku mienu miensa ennan enum bi wo ye table yi so wo si di mani free ho na ye se video bi o video bi beef bi o beef bi na ye se me de wo kɔ na agrada ye mama part any empress gift you say any ni kunu ni ex husband ye be kan sa Hobson adoye ye omunsem bia acha me sansem ya na me mpese me di achi ba God's love ha die obetimi aboa ye amia fifi mu ebie mu nya ye ne ba ko di abrɛ ye ko video no embra
me yire ni trademark no ko fine say no or ye gazetted no ko fine agrada look at my face I'm telling you today say we your ba sabo no ko fine e wo space no so na ha de be say agrada TV se wo ye oba pa sabo no ko fine e wo platform no so the shade wo kromati
I don't know agrada wo
na me ni problem last year by na ka ye ka say samiasem ana wo ka say wo beko wo de camera be du achi no akotwa video na de abeto abontia mo bi ahu say wo do sika ko nam say ndisifo monkogu ho ba mo nhwe no
eno kwa ma otwesan
wo ma me twesan but one dey say na statement of fact ya kan e ho na twam
ma otwesan
adiche ye no o ye 30 videos insulting me and my wife na me no
but what
your
wife got
can me catch dey say o ye oba wo nye obehwa de no enye insult o enye insult competition ye be go I would not do that. Me yes I just say me Jimmy for. What would you know?
I don't know be so ana.
Me say chrome ha obi abebody say mama me hope say. Would have been trouble ko. Agada. Me say ene eye 1 week pepe. Me the friend to abontinti me sure so hwe. Say wo ye oba pa say the oga say wo oba na. But no ko fine. E wo platform no so biom na ha de.
Eh.
Me mu hu say oti na yekoto no hwe nim.
So the way oba antifache
me ni obatem
mayo mo
me ni obatem sabi me nye Jimmy for enye kwase ana teche me but I am telling her say me say oye oba pa ade dani na mu a ommo no ko fine e wo the platform so obehu bibi ogo
Obeka social media to kwadwane could do court. Now do you think say me sister me say who meet wager just bring me the court letter. I will meet you. Me catch it out. Me kunu on can talk one hono. Oza me kunu akasa. Oye be me nyansa fo be ma woni nyansa. Say de bia me catch us so de be wale akokora kwase jimi fo no. No wonder somebody for bube say ya wo akwala nyansani no. Na openi kwase ya se hope sen adoye na what say ase. Oza me kunu oni nyansa no. Have you ever heard my husband's voice in anywhere of our beef? No. Because he is not part of the beef. But you will join the beef with your husband. And make you show when you so you want to take him into court. And you are posting the court letter on the social media. And mama can't tell you. Sir, a form for now, one in your mudia grow. The same level was so, my class I was so. And yes, I won't see a court letter we. And I remember my attention. I'm a one night to say, I'm a new diagram, and me a page, me a free honor. I will never give anybody attention. Me say, hey, hope say, I do na me boo. Now, what be the control challenge, mammy? My boo, dear boo, went me and your fuku. What's also better now on say, Opa, me, Iridinwa, what the Brandon and one, your friend in no confine, Opa, Bebo, Papa is a witch me. Oh, say, when you answer, I am here to announce to you that every stupid idiot, every dog can go to court. And you will meet me at the international courts for you to declare war for people to kill me. I want this one to court to go. Now who gives a bua? Who are better than me throw shade? Now they era. Me say I am your boss. I am your mother. What I say, I've given you people pressure for you to run to court. But maybe I'm not the court letter than an that social media cannot do anything to you. If you have bold and you are a man and you are a woman, come and serve me. Want to be quite a court people go fact I got to social media. Now let's ask me to be court. I want any panel then on also have me, mommy. Meet you with your Tom.
Sabi Jamfi. Obi a wotie bibia ebia no aye busy. Mon kanche ne say one fafu ene yam fragrada. Mon kanche ne say with immediate effect. One person obebonidin. With immediate effect, one person within the picture ebetu no page so. Oh yes sir.
On stop no.
Assembly na
beko from blocking no kra.
E beko from kra. Anafe Matiso okeka say obenu hwe baby Asami Jamfi office wo. No what the 800 no abrand back.
Almost stop no.
And this boys mun kwete ho. Odu ho abompo no.
Oh that be.
Ifa koso na na agrada hopes na doye ene Empress gift entem. Yes say agrone ba ofie na wo pre wo ho. Fufu yenya nwe na no mo nkwan. Afi ni bebi bi ntimo ntom bo ase. We are just the headlines. Highlights and the mama keke. Ti bebi bi beto ye bo ase bi ba God's love anote wa wo fie he de beto ye bo ase fifi ma bi biem. Afi yen ko next story. Shatawale ne Kojo Sheldon. Ye nim last weekend DC Kojo Sheldon resident ensu ayira fa no. Emma Shatawale eba house obeboa no na enwo so akofefa nsem bibiri amade song ne de enim ene de wom nyina bekeka ho ama de atem chese nyoma bebere na ewom eno so monto mo bo ase ye bebie bi match ma afi enko video ne mbra.
Ghana we no get sense. Look at someone like Kojo Sheldon in Govi candidate, they say they do yawa of the day. How can you sit down as a man then everything they talk about be negative things? Where will the kids or the next generation learn the positives from? Or you think you are teaching somebody, you know they teach anybody. You just do yourself. What they do, you know, will be legacy. You know, will be anything we go. One day YouTube go there, or YouTube go close your account. You don't have anything go do again. If you register, they go block you. If you register, they go block you. You can't come back again because all the things you are promoting, you don't know it affects lives, or you don't know say it affects people. You understand me? Those are the things that they talk. Sensible. Could you share it? He always beg medical, say, oh, we make medical, since you go medical house, all of you say go medical house. Medical magic. You understand me? But if you tell medical, say you want to interview me, you want to interview me. Could you share that and tell you I'm too expensive? You can't even interview me. Because me, I choose my interviews. You get what I'm saying? I fucking choose.
Superman fishing net or see the baby. We ask them. You tweeted that you don't want help me. Yes, I know they like. Everybody want drag this thing. Me kwachi can free in ho. Taking money from him is like taking money from Aisha Modi. Shamanim very. Oh, me you hear me bomb me rough. True. You blocked me on Twitter and you found phone and say, yeah. You want to help who? Person go help you, no go stress you. Who even if it came from a genuine place, me say me pet.
No. I will help me for me aquama.
Yesterday, come see the number of people in my house. People we no call, bro. Then show up.
Na in some way I twegu media ne so me ne Kojo Sheldon ya adwene e wo baabi ifi se osini pa wonim ne de enya afi no bi beka ne ho asema kyerem na ye won a Shatawale wo block me on X ana ye Twitter wo block me with no reason afi wo sebe fanfuli so beboa me like Shatawale ma wiska I said Aisha Mudi ama wiska no ka wo kogina makola na se kejeti akoye announcement kran kan won fa so nti me mpɛ won mo a ye be fifi match afi ye nko pop me do call Pope aso ye Pope Leo ya you know as a new Pope or say hey masa sebi sa ankwase no masa be ma ne be me bi hia be ma ne be ma warrior so ne oba warrior so ni na atwam asori bia ne ho kwan say ubehira gay ana lesbianism a warrior so eti nyankopon eno kura na nchen abortion so ya ade nyankopon empe demonic evil so oba oni be ma benyim anase be ma ne oba akwanyim no watunifo anase waka bibie gu na sum se onkoyi akora ne tungu eno kora de oni nyankopon wa asem pa ne no so ye ensema populio popa yi no me ne ya adwin fi se adie we nkamekwa na nkameye black popa the first black popa efem uma selena anka eno ne first e ya nkameka fi se enhu hia se be ma so yonko be ma denden ne to denden wo so be ware na koto dem no afa ne to so wo ba se be ma ebu so de yonko ba na se bi wo be tafetafre na se ne na kosu akuma enhu hia weni na e demonic obi a okọ asori kura den ka asori dem de anka enhia ware a nyankopon age atum e na ware nyankopon age atum ye oba ne be ma omo ware ne be ma enyankopon achiwade ni bino no nti enhu hia se ye be so sa ne omane so kura sabi eye nkwase asem eye koso amanfo asori ne ade aha eno ne asema populio aha populio ye no pop the new pope ye no free United States of America me hu ne se oye Trump down for no nko ade sa asem we nko ade obeka if it's a Trump nkwase asem sabi nkwase asem ba ko nani onfo nani mbuso ana se ne bo enju so ba ko no se be ma ne be ma ware ana se oba ne oba ware e wa asori dem enye be bia sa asori dem ne nyankopon ahira so se yempie yemfa ye dadwene ye kodenda nani ye yare ni na nkugu wono e ho na ye ko hira emema ne be ma ware so eno de ono ye pope new pope Leo ne de on twekura ma ne nkoso ono onhu bi kopem se obewu se betu no se obewu na de wo no afi yenko ye next story we GS me kwa memfa free nam de akosi he me nsha ase free nam akowi ni sen Ghana Health Service afi me wo moso
Ghana Health Service
GHS Ghana Health Service sorry no from the by Ghana Health Service me wo moso GHS Ghana Education Service right yeah we GHS Ghana Health Service yeah ye ba apomuden ene ye health issues are omo na hweso hospitals nya ade na na nti obi kura be yare na de ne be ko hospital ye hospital na be ka se doctor na so nurse ni ho na me di gina so aka dada kedi wuyi ne manager ba out o se na onyare yare na onyare nyan se ni maid no ofie se ko hu ni se unconsciously no order for ma che se ontimi nka ne ho nyehwe ane etam ne de ne to taxi menye na ono ane car taxi ane de ne call hospitals three different hospitals ayambudin wo baabi ana wote anase baabi ana ebe ni fie na baabi okowi ne yesi a local hospital bi aja utimu se panen ne yikrebi ni ho paracetamol ko nya bi ma na benya wo adurama ho na de ne koto ne ho se de ho de ayaresa ne kwa de wo nya bi na 3 government hospitals kwa doctors ni nurses ni wa na local hospital ni yekonya ayaresa ne ayarehwe wo honum yes ewu a owuye na afisa ade no so ema mesenya video bi kra obi explain the same issue e wo tachiman hospital be or me modin and say obi adwuma engu obi hospital ba munim de make tachiman me bomachi yesi ebetimi aba hospital anopa no kire say meme on 9th de oba anopa ne mind me on mind de wa elite nti meme ekọ yeni bibia wo Ghana mremu sa se oni obi run shift as a nurse and as a doctor ubeja wadwuma ato ho senipa ko ni mambeyi wo atena ho unim ebiko betimi afra unim de ato no kwan so ebi accident and as a family issues you don't know so one mind wo ma where you su kofie say wo time aso nti no o meyi wo no kofie how e wo say we ni na ye hwe Ghana Health Service me bomachi mo nhwe mo na ye madwuma nye madwuma we nya aposifo adwuma ana we nya eyifo adwuma eye mo madwuma mo na wo say mo hwe nipa bebre amofa anase mo employ mo hospitals no obi okonye qualified na mafa no on qualified so babe nurse anase doctor na mafa minim eye whom you know eye ekoso Ghana minim we nti yemfa ne de onim adwuma kwa yemfa no e wo si adwutwa so nipa ewu ni na frisa issues we enye one enye two atoso miensa meme kwa matibi si ebe ko yese doctor ni ho doctor ko didi wo maaye doctor sisebe just ensem basa na nipa na hwene ne nkwa ebia na ato dada kedi kebia nka the first hospital ankoko ko bitimi kwa ko anya ayarehwe ye betimi anya doctor ba ko na nurse ba ko bia ma na hwene ma ne woto no ye call first one obi ani ho second hospital obi ani ho third one obi ani ho ena eja yemfa ne nko local hospital ibi no kwa se bi unya pane no akonya paracetamol honum ehon na okowu da na ese ya rehosem nti GHS monhwe bibi yi afi nso yenko one female artist o Ghana ayefe ne wandishe asoye interview bia okoye no na watwe etwe mu last weekend ya o se ono ne Ghana female artist atese ye bully ne pa every day when she say and wanye say ku ebe ni say ehunehuna ana edi hunehuna na we ni nada ana say ana ono kra say na onya ne sika ana enyom na ko bi na tworo ma no e goes right just enyoma bebre oso ono ne first Ghana female artist or fast an yomanim yenko he video nemra.
I was hated. I'm the most bullied artist in the history of Ghana music.
That's great. Did you ever want to quit at any time?
My mom told me to quit and come back to Germany because it was crazy and it affected everybody in my family.
Say I was second video na ni wo video na nka beba mama hwem be say yeti nsema wani say eka say no kra na say no kra
because it was crazy and it affected everybody in my family.
The family.
It's crazy. Let me chip this in. Do you know that some of my family members were even like kind of shy, and I understand that.
To identify with you. Nobody wanted
at that time. Imagine they take your face and then they make you look like an old woman, and then they start trolling you and laughing at you, and you know they tell you you're not talented enough. I mean, it was crazy. It was a whole lot of. I wouldn't wish that even on my worst enemy, but then it actually built me. And like I said, in all of that, I still had lovers who listened to my music because every time they were ranking the highest female artist or the most streamed female, I was number one.
Wow.
That is how much that is the reason why I was giving bangers like Stevie Wonder's. Yes, now we they on top, we know they flop. How we go? Because they make them wonder.
Hello, into the video ni ekwohwe baaye no nya technical issue bi kakra into ye mo fanche pa asema wani shi kan me ne ya adwe fi se enye ono nko ani female artist o Ghana ha ena Ghanaian female artist ne ko mo nche down no so sa nti se ba ku bi ni ti a e wo se yenta na chi ne mbo na chi dom no nko na nim ni kwase etwe ne san koso ene wani shi nkwanso na first female artist o Ghana we experience sa ne mani bi ebia betwem ebo ni kwamu di bi ye na tete abayiwe ya di koni wom which is not right enti nyoma wani shi kan na no kra Ghana for munja sa bi nkwa asem no celebrities omo Ghana man no omo yesa omo to omo yesa ti ba ku twini ti pia mo support no na munya wa yesa na we ni nada ana no kura wontimi nya hwe ana wonte brofo nini na enwu hia enwom na obo na modidi asa wo club no adenti na mo ye hypocrites Ghana for ebinim ye hypocrite nipa no okoya ade no kura na monka bone na mo twen se wonye anase won fom na munya ho ase monka no emfa ade bi amra industry nim mo kele man shines pa munya sa ne omani na afiye nko ye topic for discussion. The last topic for discussion ye papa bi mini ba bi okoda ye eni sumye kro okoda so a osore beka asa asem no misi minim ba bi okoda ye eni sumye kro a okoda so o de kasa asem no papa yi koda sore ya osi mimi hu ni say jobless o say jobless o ma say bi ye nim bibi ye ayeti fie ye sore no pa didi ane yada ini hwe ye ana etimi ko oba ho for about 30 minutes square, which is 3 rounds no de onya ko 1 round per wa brush off ne no ko bi beka say enyansa sema na sabi enyansa sema wa sema woken mu sa no na sabi gate man for ene mo yire no de da rough no wana ka chere so oba ampe 6 ana wana ka chere so obi o ye jobless ana efumu ma na se one ma that for too long wana ka chere o se wona o yire timpokura na oba ne ye no so ampe 6 a masa obi we no ona o yire te oba na nchai omikunu de ono de okoba akopa no abre o ye very 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 deben hey sa mani na sabi ye we wo mo inti aseme papa yi kan ye be fifi mu ni ye biebie mu ni e de abre mu God's love hey de wa wonim se de yesiko we ni highlight any training story say wo ye pono so a ye bi die free ho awie yi inti engine krato mra na afri mra the main topic ne so
A jacuzzi is shining bright, serving